Hi, this is Edgar with NFM Lending, and I'm here with
Adriana Caballero from the Caballero Group at Libertas Real Estate.
And we have partnered up together from a real estate and lending perspective to bring you value when it comes to home ownership. Perhaps you've been thinking about buying your first home, or maybe you already own a home and you're looking to purchase your second. We're going to be having classes once a month to be able to educate, to sit down with you, go over your financial goals, and see if this is the right move for you. So please look after this video on details on where the class and time will be hosted. We look forward to seeing you there.